Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. Have you ever scrolled down a large Excel sheet and lost track of your column headings? You get halfway through and suddenly you're staring at numbers but no idea what they mean. Don't worry, Excel has a simple solution. It is called freeze panes and I'll show you exactly how to use it. So you have this very large Excel worksheet and when you want to scroll down, you can see these are the headings. The column headings are here. So when you scroll down, you see that the headings disappear. And sometimes it might be a bit confusing. You may not know the column you're actually looking at. So the solution to that is to freeze the first row so that when you scroll, it will be stationary. To do that, you click just below the row you want to freeze. We want to freeze this, the first row. So click just below it, and then you go to View. You click on the View tab. Then you go ahead and select Freeze Panes. Click here, and you have other options. So freeze top row. So let me scroll down and you take a look. You can see that the top row is frozen. So you'll be able to actually trace what you're looking at. No matter how much you scroll down, it keeps itself there. It is stationary. So this is very useful. Then when you look on the first column, you can see that this is a product, Alice Martin. And there's so much information about this product. It goes to the right and it goes beyond the screen. So you can see I'm scrolling to the right. But when I scroll to the right, the product name disappears. Okay, so you can't see it. So we now want to freeze the first column so that you'll be able to see it. So let me go to View, Freeze, Unfreeze Panes, and I want to freeze this left column. So to do that, I'll simply click on the column just after it. So this is what I want to freeze, and I click on here. So I go to Freeze Panes and Free First Column. This will keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. So I click on it. And let me scroll to the right. Let's take a look. You see that I'm scrolling to the right and the first column is still stationary. You'll be able to see all the information. You'll be able to trace what you're looking at. Okay, solves a lot of problems. And then let's say you want to, let me unfreeze it. Okay, you want to freeze the first row and the first column. What you have to do is to click here. You click just to the right of the column you want to freeze and just to the bottom of the row you want to freeze. So this is like an intersection. So I click on here and I go to freeze panes. Then I select, you can see it here, freeze panes, the first one. This will keep the rows and columns visible while this will keep the rows and column visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. So I click here, let's select it. This is it. So when I scroll down, the top row is frozen. And then when I scroll to the right, it is also frozen. You can see it. Yes, so this solves the problem of data that is beyond your immediate screen, that is beyond the visible screen. So you'll be able to keep it visible while you scroll to the right or you scroll downwards. And just like that, your headers stay right where you need them to be. Simple, powerful, and it saves you time. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. Subscribe for more quick Excel tips. I'll see you in the next video.